This is the video showing how to program the master code and user code for the DK-9520 and DK-9522. Master code and user code are not the same. Master code is used to enter the programming mode, and the user code is used to trigger output 1. There is a default master code of 4 zeros for the keypad, and there is no user code. To enter the programming mode, enter the master code and 1 stars. When the middle ampere light turns on, which means now you are in programming mode. To program the master code is in location 0, so we press 0. And then enter the new master code. Palm to confirm. 2 beep means successful. And then star to exit the programming mode. Now, you have a new master code of 1234 and the old one is invalid. Invalid. Valid. There are 2 user modes. They are single user mode and multi-user mode. Single user mode, the keypad only saves 1 4-digit user code, and the multi-user mode, the keypad can save up to 100 4 to 8-digit user code. Now, we are in single user mode. So, to enter single user mode, press 8900 palm. 2 beep means now you are in single user mode. To program the user code, press 1 and then enter a 4-digit user code. Palm to confirm. 2 beep means successful. And then start to exit the programming mode. Now you can try your user code. Now we are going to talk about multi-user mode. Firstly, we need to enter the programming mode again. Now you are in programming mode. To change into multi-user mode, press 8901. Palm to confirm. 2 beep means successful. Now you are in multi-user mode. After pressing 8900 or 8901, all the user code will be deleted. So, to program a user code in multi-user mode, press 1 and then the user ID from 00 to 99. Enter a new user code. Palm to confirm. 2 beep means successful. And then start to exit the programming mode. Now you can try your new user code. Palm.